another bonus video over the weekend. If you guys want to see it, let me know in the comment section below. But if you haven't already checked out my previous upload on Wednesday's episode, make sure you go and check it out. I'm going to flash it up on the screen and the link will be in the description if you haven't already watched it. I want to try and hit 100 likes on that video. That'd be amazing. But getting into today's video, we've got quite a large compilation. I have got 5 chiropractors. Okay, so we've got Dr. Cipriano, Dr. Brent Brinder, Dr. Gregory Johnson, Ace Thayer, and Joe Denke. Now, all of that information, again, like I said, will be in the description. Just on a quick side note, if you guys want to skip this introduction that I'm talking through, just skip it. You don't have to listen to it. But yes, all of the chiropractors will be linked in the description. And if you guys are local to them in their area, you can, book an appointment with them or go and see them specifically. Or if you have, a specific chiropractor that you prefer to see, and you want to check the information, the links will be in the description to their channels. And from there, you can go and get their information, and book your appointments, so on and so forth. But yeah, we've got plenty of clips today showing a various variety of adjustments. So hopefully you guys do enjoy the video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe. If you enjoy the content, leave a comment to let me know what you want to see in their next videos, and then I can get ideas for content creation. And if you like the video, like it and share it. And for everyone that's already subscribed to the channel, thank you for the support. And like I said, hopefully you enjoy it, and I will start playing the video right now. So I shall see you on the next one.
Let me have you take a deep breath in and out. One more time, just a little bit lower and out. Good. Bring this arm up and over. Bring that arm, up and over. Good. Keep your thighs to the table for me. I'm going to rotate you like this. Good. Arms up. Yep. Hands up and over. Good. Lean back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Okay. A little tighter. Yep. Good. And relax. Let me have you take a seat right here, facing that way. The acupuncture, so you've done a lot of soft tissue work as well. But yeah, this decompression will be different.
Whoa! Holy banana sandwich. How is that even possible?
There we go. Deep breath in and out. Good. One more time. Deep breath in and out. Good. And to the other side. No, you're good, you're good. There we go. Got a ton of movement there. How'd that feel?
A ton of movement. That's what it felt like.
Go face down again for me. Alright, with this, I'm gonna have you bend up the top leg. I'm gonna just pull that shoulder. There you go, like that. And like that. Come a little bit closer to me. Perfect. There it was. There we go. And lay flat on your back. That moved very well. Bring that down a little for you. Perfect. There we go. Come on up. And catch your breath. I got part of your hair there, so deep breath in and out for me. What did you feel?
That was just my neck. Yeah, that was my neck.
I heard that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt that.
Yeah, that was very loud with that one.
Yeah.
Relax, catch your breath. There we go. Take a deep breath in and out. Okay. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay, before me. And then I'm gonna rotate you this way. Good.
I'm sorry.
And I'm gonna rotate you this way.
Welcome. Welcome.
I'm about to cry. I'm about to cry.
Drop down to T2 on the right. Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Deep breath in, exhale out. Good. One arm up and over, yep, and the other one over. Keep your thighs to the table. I'm gonna rotate you like this. Look as far as you can over this shoulder.
This shoulder?
Yep, this one. Good. Got a little lower one here. There, that's good.
Oh! Gee, Manetti. I don't know how many vertebrae you got, but I swear all of them just did something. Oh, wouldn't expect.
Forward here just a little bit too. Okay, breathing. Okay, breathing nice and soft. We're gonna bring their shoulders up like this. This is how we adjust the low back, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna bring the shoulder up and then we're bring the hip down and push like that, okay?
Am I good how I am?
You're perfect,
Okay.
yeah. Move your back. And this one forward just a little more. Okay, again, same thing, bottom leg straight. Good, okay, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Go let the shoulder come up. Very good, we're gonna bring the hip down. There you go.
I love it.
If I bring you down like this, how's the pain, okay?
About the same.
So we're gonna bring 2 inches, 3 inches down. Here's the acetabular ridge. Nice, gentle, deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good, we're gonna bring your hip down just a little bit. Turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Other way. Good. Perfect. Lean your back.
The whole time.
That's right.
Cool.
Okay, nice, gentle breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sinking in.
I feel fine, but based on what you did, I feel like I shouldn't be able to walk.
Okay, I'm gonna test the motion.
Okay.
We're gonna see how this feels. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Good. Kind of felt like the further up I went, the more it got stuck. Let me ask you, how does that feel?
Oh, it hurts. Hurts more the further up you go, though.
Okay, let me test the motion here. Good, we're gonna lift your head up. Good. Gonna pull this out.
Like it went to about here, but like I even felt like a pop in my shoulder. So I'm
table, because you got taller doctors like Dr. Walker, Dr. White. You can raise the table up to meet their height requirements, so they don't have to bend over all day. Go ahead and yank it. There you go. That was better. Okay. Did you feel the difference?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh man, I needed that. That was your. Okay, deep breath through your nose for me, Ted. There you go. Yes, sir. You should have felt that one all the way down, Ted. You okay? Yeah. He didn't scream near as loud as he has all week, guys. There you go. Now he's getting into it now. Okay, there you go. Now, keep your teeth together for me. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. You feel that all the way down? Yeah. Good deal. Come on, need to get me a new pin holder, too. Can you make...
And she'll know what that means in a minute. Okay, just relax. Good, you're doing great. Come back up. Good. Those tears of joy are tears of... Oh! There we go. See, BC4. You're gonna go like this. You hear it, and you can feel it.
Cracked like 5 times.
Well, I already know it is, but okay. Good. Let's go. Good. Why are you laughing? All right, so we'll start right here. You go ahead and breathe in and out for me. Good. Again. Good. Here. Okay. Breathe in and hold it in. Now, turn on your side facing this way. We'll slide you forward a little bit. Good back there. Keep that bottom leg straight.